Hello, in this video we will discuss about this keyboard and mouse. So this is Key series colorful LED and the brand is Juice. So it's actually made in China. I buy in Shopee. So let's take a look. So it's a transparent color, is transparent. As you can see, there's a keyboard and a mouse, so no other parts. So let's test it in my computer. And this is a review, and let's try it in my computer and see its action. Just click the scroll lock to turn it on, then to turn it off, the scroll lock, turn it off.